Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 14.3 of factorization. Question 3 here you can see, work out the following division. This is question number 3. Work out the following division. This is given that first part of this question is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, so in this situation we take common between them and cancelled, and we find our required result. So let's see how to solve it. Student, this is given first part of question number 3, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So first we write it like that, 10x minus 25 by 5. Clear? Now after this we write this product of irreducible factor. So you can write 10x is 2 into 5 into x minus 25 becomes 5 into 5. Okay, divide by 5. So here you can see what is the common factor between them. So we observe here 5 is common factor between them. So we take common 5. We take common 5. So we write here 5 into, and we obtain here 2 into x. It has become 2x minus, here we obtain 5. Clear? And divide by 5. So you can cancel it because this is common, and our answer is 2x minus 5. This is your answer. Okay, so you can see the solution of first part of question number 3. This is given 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So first we write it, product of irreducible factors, and take common 5, and then 5 will cancel, and we obtain the required result 2x minus 5. Now we are going to solve next part, second part of these questions. Okay, you can see here this is second part of question number 3, 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. This is a division of binomial by binomial. Okay, this is binomial, this is binomial. So you can see here this is a division of binomial to binomials. So we can write it 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Clear? Now so here first we write it in the product of irreducible factors. So let's see how we can write it. 2 into 5 into x minus 25, we can write it 5 into 5, okay, and divide by 2 minus 5. So here you can see what is the common between them. So you can see the 5 and 5 is common, so we take common 5 and we obtained 5 into 2x minus 5 divide by 2x minus 5, okay. So 2x minus 5 will be cancelled and we obtain here only 5, okay. So in this way we solve this question number second part of 3. First we write like this, and after this we break it in the product of irreducible factors and take common 5. In both have 5, so we take common 5 and we obtain 2x minus 5, and in here also 2x minus 5, so it will be cancelled and we obtain 5. This is our required solution. Now next part, third part. This is a question number 3, third part. This is given 10y plus into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So we write it 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7, okay. So first we write and this numerator by product of irreducible factors, okay. Let's see how to write it. 10 is become 2 into 5, 10 into y into in bracket 6y is become 2 into 3 into y plus 21 becomes 3 into 7, okay, by divide by 5 into 2y plus 7, okay. So here you can say 5 will cancelled, okay. Now so we obtain here 2y into what is common between them, 3 is common, to take common 3 into we obtained here 2y plus 7 and divide by 2y plus 7. So 2y plus 7, 2y will cancelled. We obtain here 2y into 3. 3 3 are 6. We obtain 6y. This is our required answer. Okay. So this is a given question. So first we write it, product of irreducible factor and take common 3. So we observe that 2i plus 7 will cancel to each other, and 5 and 5 also cancel. To obtain 2i into 3, it means 6y. So student, I hope all of you understood it. Now we are going to solve the fourth part of question number 3. Student, this is given fourth part, 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 and divide by 27xy z minus 8. So first write it like that, 9x square y square into 3z minus 24, okay, divide by 27 into xy into z minus 8. Clear? This is given. So first we write it, the product of irreducible factor. This is equal to, we can write 9 into x into y into y, and here you can see 3 is common between them. We take common 3 and we obtain here z minus 8. Okay, after this divide by, you can write 27 3 into 9. Okay, this is 3 into 9 into x into y into z minus 8. So here you can see z minus 8 is cancelled, 9 cancelled, x y also cancelled here, 1x 1y is cancelled. So we obtained x y into 3 is here, 3 also cancelled, and what we find, x y, we find here only x y. Okay, this is your required answer. Let's see. Now we are going to solve question number fifth part of this question 3. Students, this is the fifth part of question number 3. 96 ABC 3a minus 12b into 5b minus 30 divide by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay, so we solve it. So you can see here in first part 3 is common. If you take 3 common, so you obtain here a minus 4. Okay, and in second part 5b minus 30, if you take common 5 is common between them, So take common 5. So we obtained b minus 6. Okay, so we obtained b minus 6, and then b minus 6 will be cancelled, a minus 6 is also cancelled, and here 144 and here 96. So if we divide both 96 and 144 by 12, we obtain 8 by 12. Okay, you also divide it by 4, you obtain 2 by 3. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. First you write it in this form, like this. Okay, and write it product of irreducible factors. So you write it (16) into 6, and here we take common. From this we obtain 3 into a minus 4, and in this bracket we also take common 5. So right here 5 into, we obtain b minus 6. Clear? And divide by 44. We can write 44, 16, 8 ja. Uh, 16 9 ja 144 into, you can write a minus 4 into b minus 6. Clear? So you can see here b minus 6 is cancelled, a minus 4 is also cancelled by a minus 4, 16 is also cancelled, and between here 6 into 3 into 5 by 9. So you can write here 6 into 3 into 5 by 9. Okay, so you cancel it, 3 3 is 9, and also you cancel it, 3 2 is 6. So in this way you obtain here 2 into 5. Okay, this become 10. This is a required solution. Let's see one times more. You can write 96 is 16 into 6, and then take common 3a minus 12 is common 3 between them. So we obtain a minus 4, and 5b minus 30 is also common. So we take 5 between them. So we obtain 5 into b minus 6. So in this way 16 is cancelled by 16. A minus 4 is cancelled to each other, and b minus 6 is also cancelled. Okay, so we obtain 6 into 3 into 5 by 9. So 3 is cancelled, 3, this 3 cancelled this 9 by 3 times, and this 3 cancelled to 6 2 times. So we obtain 2 into 5, and we will get 10. This is our required result. Student, now we are going to solve question number 4. Okay, we are going to solve question number 4. Divide as directed. Okay, so this is first question. 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So you can see here 2x1, 2x plus 1 is cancelled. So what you have 5 into 3x plus 5 is your result. Clear? Now let's see second part of this question. Here this is second part of this question is 26xy into x plus 5 y minus 4 divided by 36x into y minus 4. So here you can see y minus 4 is y minus 4 cancelled, x is cancelled to x, okay, and 13 is cancelled 2 times 36. So we obtain only 2y into x plus 5. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. Here you can see 5 into 2x plus 3x into 5 divided by 2x. Okay, so direct divide is as directed, so we can write it 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, so 2x cancelled and we obtained 5 into 3x plus 5. Okay, this is clear. Now next part, second part of this question is this is given 26x xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x y minus 4. 13x y minus 4. Okay, so you can see here y minus 4 is cancelled automatically, and this x is cancelled to this x, and 13 to the 26. So we obtain here only 2 and this y. Okay, so this is a second part of question 4. Clear? Now this is third part of question 4. 52 PQR into P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P. Okay, and divide by this is given 104 into PQ into QR plus RP, Q plus R into R plus P. So you can see here what is the common factor will be cancelled automatic. So first here you can see 52 2 over 104, we obtain here 2, and QR is cancelled to QR, RP is cancelled to R plus P into R plus P, and PQ also cancel here PQ. So we obtain here R by 2. Clear? Now next part of question number 4. This is given fourth part. (20) into x plus y, 20 into y plus 4 divide into y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y plus 3 divide by 5 into y plus 4. Okay, so you can see here what is a common factor. Y plus 4 is common and 5 is also common. 20 you can write 24 into 5. So y plus 4 is cancelled here, and 5 4 is 20, 4 times. So you obtained here 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3. Clear? And now next part, fifth part of this question. Now fifth part of question number 4. This is given ax plus 1, ax plus 2, ax plus 3 divide by ax plus 1. Okay, so you can see what is the common between them. Tell me. You notice that ax into x plus 1 is common, so it will be cancelled so easily. Okay, so we obtained here x plus 2 and x plus 3. Clear? Now we are going to solve question number 5 of first part. Okay, I hope all of you understood question number 4. This is very easy, you can do. Okay, so question number 5, first part is given y square plus 7y plus 10 divide by, here given y plus 5. Okay, so first we factorize it and after this divide directed. Okay, so how can we factorize it? We can write y square plus 7y, you can write 2y plus 5y and plus 10 we write as it is, divide by y plus 5. Clear? Now we grouping it. Take this together and this together. Okay, so you can see here what is the common between them, y. So you can take common y. So here you have obtained y plus 2 in plus, what is common between them, 5. So take common 5 and you obtain here y plus 2. Clear? And divide by y plus 5. Clear? Now, and now you can see here y plus 2 is common. So we take again common y plus 2 and here we obtain y plus 5 and divide by y plus 5. This becomes y plus 5, y plus 5 is cancelled and we obtained y plus 2. This is our required result. Student, you can see here this is given first part, y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So first we find the factorization of y square plus 7y plus 10. So you can write 7y 2y plus 5. So we obtain y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10. So first we grouping it, y square plus 2y one group and 5y plus 10 other group. And you can say first group y square plus 2y is common y, so we take common, so we obtain y into y plus 2 and plus in second group y plus 5y plus 10, and here we have common 5, so if we take common 5 we obtain 5 into y plus 2. In both terms you can see y plus 2 is common, so we take common y plus 2, then we obtain y plus 2 into y plus 5. So y plus 5 and y plus 5 is cancelled, then we obtain y plus 2. So I hope student all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.